Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how to make fall and Halloween bark. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically a graham cracker or chocolate based treat sprinkled with whatever kind of goodies that you'd like. Just for a little, I would just say fast forward little moment, I do have all these cute little sprinkles and treats and Halloween colored M&Ms for the toppings. You can put peanuts, you can put walnuts, you can put almonds. It's all up to you if you want raisins. This is just a creative treat that suits your perfect needs. And without further ado, let's get started to make this delicious treat. So here I just have a pot of water and I'm going to turn it on to start boiling it just to get it warm enough, and then I'm going to add a bowl with some chocolate inside. I'm going to be doing white chocolate and milk chocolate. You can melt your chocolate in the microwave or you can do it on the stovetop. It is totally up to you. For the milk chocolate option, I will be using Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips. You can use chocolate melt or pieces of a candy bar, but I'm just going to opt for some chocolate chips. Just want to make sure you have enough that creates that thickness so when you bite into it, it is full. I'm just going to be stirring this with a rubber spatula. This looks delicious already. It is almost done. Just want to make sure you get all the lumps out of there so your chocolate is smooth and creamy. Okay, I think we are good right here. You don't want to over melt your chocolate to burn it. So here I'm just going to be doing the same thing with some white chocolate, and I only used a small amount because this is just going to be like a marble swirl on top of the bark. And you can see how easily that just melted. Didn't even take me 2 minutes. Perfect. I'm going to turn my stove off. So now that I have all of my chocolate melted, I am going to be lining my little pan that I'm going to be putting my chocolate in. So I am just going to cover the bottom in some wax paper just so the chocolate doesn't stick to the bottom and it's easier to remove. So I'm just going to line this there. And I'm just using a small pan because I don't want a lot of this. So I'm going to make half of it Halloween and I'm going to make half of it fall. I'm just going to start by taking my melted chocolate. Oh, I'm sorry if you guys can't see this well. And I'm just going to cover the entire pan of milk chocolate. Yummy. Let's get this in there. This is a really easy treat and it is fun to do with a bunch of friends, your family, even by yourself or with a friend for a movie night or anything like that. And I'm just going to take my rubber spatula and spread this out evenly. If the wax paper does get in the way, you can hold it out. But you just want to make sure that it is even and that there is a thickness. So when deciding what pan to use, make sure that you melted enough chocolate just to create that little diameter in there so you're biting into something thick. Okay. I have my chocolate all smoothed out. Yummy. So I'm just going to set this bowl aside. And by the way, for the white chocolate, I use these candy melts. I believe I got them at Walmart. I have previously gotten a bag from Party City, but I use that. But these work just as fine as those. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is the chocolate spread out. Here is where I get to add my little goodies, my M&Ms, my almonds. I even have some peanut butter because I want to put this on the fall side. And to swirl in the white chocolate and the peanut butter, all you need are these little simple things called toothpicks. So I will get started decorating. Oh, first I should probably open these. It says break. These are new and I got them from Target. I don't entirely know how to open this. I'm just trying to hurry up before my chocolate hardens. And you could either let this sit out on the counter, or you can put it in the freezer for 15 minutes or refrigerate it for about half an hour. It is totally up to you. I got the seal broken. Okay guys, so I just wanted you to get a closer look of how I do this instead of seeing me from afar. So I'm just gonna start decorating. First, I'm going to take some white chocolate and swirl it on this side. Ooh, I like this. You can be as creative as you want. Like I said, you can add raisins, walnuts, whatever kind of toppings or whatever kind of treats are your favorite. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is your own creativity. If you have something that is better than a toothpick to swirl this in, by all means go for it, but I'm just going to utilize this today. If you want, you can take really big globs of the white chocolate. I find that that helps better just to swirl that in there. This also could be white chocolate based if you prefer white chocolate over milk chocolate or dark chocolate. So it is totally up to you. Wow, I think that looks beautiful. And like I said, that is for the fall side. Actually, I changed my mind. This could be the Halloween side. And for the fall side, I am just going to take a tablespoon and throw some peanut butter on this side. I feel like if I took a toothpick to do this, I would be here all day. So I'm just gonna work that in there. And my peanut butter is at room temperature just so it is easier to mix into the chocolate. Who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate? I will leave this quarter just regular milk chocolate. Ooh, look at these. I got these from Target. I love this. This is so pretty. I love that there are fake eyeballs, and all of this is edible, so do not be afraid to eat the eyeballs. Add some more eyeballs because I'm not picking any up. One there. This is so cute. Even if you have a Halloween party or anything going on, this is perfect. I am finished with the sprinkles. I'm going to opt for some Halloween colored M&Ms. I cannot wait to try this. I do have this bag of walnut toppings from Target as well. Yes, most of my stuff is from Target. I love chocolate. Oops! I love chocolate with peanuts inside, so I'm just going to sprinkle this on here as if I didn't make a mess already. It's okay, guys. You don't have to be perfect when you're in the kitchen. It's all about having fun. One thing I do love is almonds in chocolate, so I'm going to be adding some whole almonds to this side, and this, like I said, is the fall side, and this is the Halloween side. This is my finished creation before I let it go in the freezer for about 15 minutes, or like I said, you can let it sit out at room temperature until it hardens because it is melted chocolate, but I'm just going to toss it in the freezer for 15 minutes and I will be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so my 15 minutes are up and this looks delicious if I say so myself. This is what it looks like. And you don't want to rush this too, taking it out of the freezer, because you don't want it to break apart when you go to piece it and put it on a cute little platter or container or whatever you're doing. I just want to show you, look how easy that came out because of the wax paper, and it just peels right off. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel this off. It's satisfying that this is like coming off so neat. Ta-da! Ta-da! One whole sheet, and I will place this over here. So here is where the fun part begins. You can start breaking it. And I'm going to break it into the half that I made the fall and the Halloween. And you can break them in pieces like this. They don't have to be perfect by any means. This is also a really cute gift idea too, because who doesn't like getting delicious treats, especially chocolate in the fall. Not just the fall, but you know, fall I consider is like cozy baking season. Sorry you guys can't see me plating, but I will show you a close-up of them. How rude am I? I should taste one on camera so you guys can see my reaction. I'm just gonna take this really small piece. That tastes so good. And when you use like an accredited chocolate, it just tastes even better. Or I should say, if you use your favorite chocolate. I love Dove chocolate, Lindor, Ghirardelli, so this is so yummy. I promise this treat will not disappoint. So just because I did try the Halloween ones, I do want to try the peanut butter swirl one that I made, just because I put the peanut butter in there because I love that. Tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I love peanut butter and chocolate, so if you love that as well, you will definitely love these. And like I said, they are so easy to create, and it's such a fun activity to do. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me make this yummy treat. If you guys do recreate it, please tag me on social media. I would love to see your recreations. And if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave some comments down below. I would love to hear your feedback. And with all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!